Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at the Melody Maker Cancun with Air Canada Vacations. Located 25 minutes northeast of the Cancun International Airport, this lifestyle resort has 679 rooms, a prime spot on the main strip, endless beachfront views, and offers a unique music festival experience with parties at the Delirio Day Club by day and hosting concerts with popular DJs by night. Let's take a look at where we stayed. Room N12, an oceanfront swim-out beach villa. You'll enter the suite through the hallway, placing your card in the control slot on your way to turn on your air conditioning and lights. To your right is your full-length mirror, placed conveniently by the door and across from your open-concept bathroom area. It has a plush seat for your comfort and a large wall of storage. There's plenty of shelving up top, wardrobes with hangers, and a safe. This safe fits a 13-inch laptop with plenty of room to spare. And find even more storage with 2 large drawers underneath. Beside here is a private area with your toilet and handy shelf. Next to this is your modern bathroom, complete with bench, double rainfall shower heads, additional handheld shower head, and sleek fixtures. You'll find complimentary amenities here like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that are restocked as needed. And take a peek at the rest of the room through your intriguing glass pane. The vanity area is bright, crisp, and spacious, with a centered opening, beautiful twin backlit mirrors, and elevated bowl sinks. There are plenty of outlets, tissues, and complimentary amenities of shampoo, lotion, shower cap, vanity kit, glasses, and soap. Underneath, you'll find a fresh supply of towels, your scale, and your hairdryer. Next up is the bedroom area. There's an inviting seating area with music-inspired artwork, stylish furniture, and an eclectic design with incredible attention to detail. The lighted edged ceiling offers a luxurious atmosphere and frames your comfy king-size bed. Here you'll find plush pillows, soft linens, and your cozy bedside bench. Find additional lighting both underneath and showcasing the artwork overhead. The bedside table has reading lights, USB and electrical outlets, and holds your Do Not Disturb hanger, phone, notepad, and pen. The other bedside table has matching lighting, USB and electrical outlets, and holds your television remote. Across the room is your entertainment area. It holds your 50-inch smart TV, snacks that are restocked as needed, as well as your ice bucket and glasses. Below is a desk area with stylish vanity mirror, plush seating, USB and electrical outlets, as well as your room service menu to satisfy your cravings. Underneath, you'll find additional shelving and storage on the left, and on the right is your fully stocked signature minibar. It holds your Coke, Diet Coke, Perrier, local beers, and water that's restocked as needed. Now onto one of the best parts of the room, your private terrace with swim-out pool. You'll find your trendy matching wood loungers with signature towels for your convenience in front of your indulgent private swim-out pool. This prime oceanfront spot gives you impressive beach views of the beautiful blue Cancun Strip. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at the Melody Maker Cancun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Book your Melody Maker vacation with Air Canada Vacations. Subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!